Hi, this is Namrata, and I make learning videos every week. So today's topic is comparator. So what do we know about what is comparator in Java? So comparator is a interface and it provides a logic to compare two objects of a same class. So let's see in the Java docs itself that what does it say. So it's a comparator and it gives a logic. It gives a function named compare, which compares two objects of the same kind. So let's see what this compare function does is, so the compare function compares two arguments for order, return a negative integer 0 or a positive integer as the first argument is less than, equal to, or greater than the second. So if the O1 is less than the O2, then it will return negative integer. If they are equal, they will return, the compare function will return 0, and if O1 is greater than the second, then it will return positive integer. So this is a topic we need to write for our class. Coming back from what is comparator in Java, why do we need a comparator? We need a comparator to make an order in our collections or a list of some objects. So it's basically a way to compare two objects, and this is mostly seen in collections. Okay, so how do we write it? So let's say we have a class named product, and there are two member variables over here, that is product number and product name. So my product number is basic int, and my product name is string. So I have a product number and product name. I have a parameterized constructor over here and a toString of those parameters. Let's see how does it function. So in the main thing, if I comment the later part, let me just comment it over here. Okay, so in the main thing, what I have done is created four objects of this product class, and I have initialized random numbers over here. So my first object is 41, ABCD 41, and rest all are like that. So you can see all are of different values. So I have added it into an array list. So here the comparator works very well with collections, and I have added the product list in the array list, and I have done a sys out for it. So let's see on running it what is the output. So we can see the output is in the same sequence as we have added the products. Okay, so if I change my sequence, that let's suppose I put over here as 3 and over here as 2. If I start my thing, so my product number 2 appears at the P2 appears at the second position and P3 appears at the first position. So meaning in whichever order we put our object, so in that order only the array list presents itself. We need to sort this array, and for that we need to write a comparator. So here the comparator is implemented in the product number comparator, and we need to override the compare function. So earlier as we read, the comparator has to be of a class. So this is the product, and the product objects are going to be compared in our comparator. So if the O1 dot get product number is equals to O2 dot product number, so it is going to return 0. And if O1 dot get product number is less than O2 product number, then it is going to return -1, as it was said in the documentation of the comparator, and else it is going to return 1. Okay, so this is the logic that we need to write for the comparator. So let's say we are in the main function, and we to uncomment our thing. There is a class for the collections that collections and it has a sort function. Here what you will do is put your list of objects and the comparator, that is product number, a comparator, and let's see what happens when we do a sysout for the list now. So here we have the list prior to the sorting, which is not yet sorted according to product number, and once the sorting is applied, it is getting sorted on the basis of product number, that is 13, 22, 41 and 48, which is perfectly correct. So now what happens is, what if I want to sort it with respect to the product name? So that is also possible. So you can write a comparator. So in the string we already have a compare to function which follows these rules only, that if O1 is less than O2, so it is going to return -1. If it is equal, it is going to return 0, and if it is greater, then it is going to return 1. So in this way you can modify your comparing logic also according to your need. Okay, so here when I come to my main class and see that what is happening over here. So here I have sorted my collection on the basis of product name comparator, and I have printed the same. So let's see while running it. Okay, so here the collection is sorted on the basis of product number, and if we want to change the sorting pattern, we can change it also by applying the different comparator, that is a product name comparator, and it can be sorted according to the names. So here you can see AAA 48, AAB 13, ABC 41 and PQR 22, which is the last. So here you can see that your all sorting can be done easily with the help of comparator. So in this way you can write as many comparator as you want for your class and apply it wherever you need. Okay, so I hope you have understood about comparator and its uses. So this is it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.